Welcome back. A former University of Michigan Health West employee says the health system fired her for no reason other than her religious beliefs. She filed a complaint in federal court this week.
Fox 17's Marisa Oberle spoke with both her and her attorney. She joins us live in the newsroom with this story. Marisa?
Jamie and Josh, in this complaint, Valerie Klosterman and her team allege U of M Health West went against her religious rights when she refused to provide referrals for gender reassignment surgeries and procedures. A spokesperson with the health system called her claims meritless. Valerie Klosterman still struggles with what happened to her.
I'm heartbroken still. My kids hold my hand when we drive by the office.
Last August, the physician's assistant, who practiced for 17 years at Metro Health Caledonia, says she lost her job after the health system required her to go through diversity and inclusion training that contained a requirement to affirm statements related to sexual orientation and gender identity.
This is not what I believe. It violates my conscience. It also violates my Hippocratic oath.
Klosterman says her Christian faith and opinion as a medical professional prevented her from agreeing to that, so she asked for a religious accommodation, only to instead get a termination letter from U of M Health West.
And no one ever asked for a referral for sex-altering drugs or procedures. This was all hypothetical.
Kayla Toney, Klosterman's attorney, says during her career, her client served patients from all backgrounds without issue, including those in the LGBTQ+ community, and offered to only say a person's name during appointments or refer to them as quote-unquote patient in paperwork as a possible solution. She adds there's a history of non-religious accommodations at the clinic too. So on Tuesday, they filed a federal lawsuit which argues U of M Health West violated Klosterman's First and 14th Amendment rights on top of protections guaranteed under the Civil Rights Act of 1964.
Ousting religious providers like Valerie from the workplace really does a disservice to the community as a whole.
Klosterman says she just wants to stand up for her beliefs.
I can't compromise that. That is not something that I can say, well, that's fine in my day-to-day life, but when I'm at work, I don't have to believe that, or I don't have to abide by what the word says just simply because I step into the doors of the University of Michigan.
Now, in Klosterman's lawsuit, it includes a notice from the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, which says this past July, the office declined to proceed with its investigation into a claim that she filed, although it notes that did not make any determination about whether further inquiries would establish any violations of the statute. And now that helps us put into perspective U of M Health West's statement to us. They declined an interview but said, quote, University of Michigan Health West has not seen a lawsuit from Ms. Klosterman and cannot comment on claims that haven't been formally made. However, if they are similar to her claims filed with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, they will also be without merit. And if you would like to read this full suit, you can head on over to our website right now at fox17online.com. I'm reporting live in the newsroom, Marisa Oberle, Fox 17 News.